Halo sis Ana.
Halo Kak Intan.
Halo.
Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, you ready, Kak Intan?
Iya,
Alright. Okay, so how are you today, Kak? It's been a
uh,
while.
I'm good, but I'm a little bit tired
Oh, okay. Why is that?
because 2 days ago
Mm-hmm.
I went to mana ya? Kamojang. Do you know Kamojang in Garut?
Mm-hmm.
And then for Sunday, the
Mm-hmm.
last Sunday I'm going to Cianjur,
Oh.
doing some activities like rope jumping from a bridge. And then today I'm tennis. So yeah, I just already finished the tennis.
Oh, really? Now you just already finished?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. What time your tennis started?
at 8 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
until 10.
At 8
Yeah.
until 10. Ah,
Yeah.
okay, okay. I see. That's why now you feel very tired because you just finished it.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you still in tennis field now?
In front of tennis field, but I'm in a car.
Oh, in a car. Okay, then all right. So what is your plan for today? Do you have any plan for doing another activity?
Yeah, for my plane on 1 p.m. is to join a class, illustration class for illustration design, to design some clothes, or yeah, clothes. But after I think again, I think I will back to my home and get a rest.
Oh, okay. So you will cancel that activity.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. You are very you. I can hear from your voice that it is very gasping. Kinda terengah-engah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, you can take some time if you wanna take your drink or do something before you because you just finished, right?
Yeah, but it's okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then. All right. So when you come back to Bandung
On Friday night,
on Friday night by plane
yeah, by plane and continuing with bus.
with bus. All right. Then
A
how?
bus.
Oh, whoosh.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Is it close from your house to Wush Station?
No, my mom pick up me
Mm-hmm.
on Padalarang,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, I'm going to home with my
Mm-hmm.
mom.
Ah, I see then. All right. Yee. So far, you already 3 days in Bandung.
Yeah, 3 days, but my activities is very full and busy. Like,
Yeah. You have a lot of plan while you have a holiday. You really enjoy your holiday time.
yeah, because for my holiday is not 14 days. My managers cut my holidays because we have another business trip.
Uh-huh.
So I only in Bandung for 10 days.
Oh, okay. So it's supposed to be how long?
14 days.
Oh, it's supposed to be seharusnya.
14 tapi jadi
Mm.
10.
Oh, okay. It's supposed to be 14, but they cut you for days of holiday.
Yeah,
Okay, so where will you go for the next business trip?
to police office.
Police office?
Yeah, because we have some interrogation
No.
related to my work. Yeah, to
Mhm.
our jobs.
Oh
Yeah,
wow,
in Medan.
in Medan. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, how do you feel about that? Is it kind of like something common, like happened to you? Go to the police officer and give the explanation about your work.
It's not my common,
Mhm.
but it's common for my manager. Yeah,
Okay.
because for the for the interrogation for the next day, or
Mhm.
yeah, for 29,
Mhm.
the 29, it's related to the police assume that we buy some illegal products from fabric.
Mhm.
It is for radio telecommunication,
Mhm.
or walkie talkie and handy talkie. So
Mhm.
they assume that. So
Oh,
we need to make clarification and explanation to them.
okay, then all right. But it's actually not happened like that.
Not happen like that, because
Mhm.
they think that for a distributor is we buy products from Motorola, and the
Mhm.
certification for some license not extended by Motorola, but the police assume that we bought illegal products.
Oh, okay, I see. Right. So related to your company that cut your holiday time, do you get the what is it called?
Compensation.
Compensation for that?
Yeah, for the next holiday, will be aided for the next holiday.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right. So when was the first time you know that your holiday will be cut it?
uh, Before I went to Bandung,
Mm-hmm.
when I sent a travel request to my manager and a request for approval, and her sign, and they informed me to back to the Medan earlier than the plan,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
earlier than schedule. Yeah.
All right. How do you feel about that?
Sometimes nervous, but when we feel we are, it's apa ya, benar gitu. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we prefer to inform for correct information, because we also accompany by a legal
Mm-hmm.
and lawyer from my company.
Mm-hmm. Okay, of course, because your company doing the right thing, so you feel confident about that.
Yeah.
Okay, so is this your first time or have you ever experienced this before?
For previously, the police also sent me a letter, but not for the others issue. Yeah, they also sent later, but I never go to the police office, because it is always delegate to my manager.
Okay, then,
Mhm.
okay. So the one who will be sent to the police officer, is it only you or is there any other people also accompany you?
Previously, the representative from safety person has been attend to
Mm-hmm.
the police station with a lawyer, and then they call us to go the police station.
Okay, then. All right, okay, then good luck for that. Yeah, for that agenda.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Okay, so let's start our today's session. For today, we have a topic. Like the topic is, can you tell me about? So, which means in this session, I want to ask you to tell about something that I mentioned. For example, I want to ask you kind of like, tell me about someone you like, and then
Mm-hmm.
you can tell about that person, whether it's your friends, and then you can tell about why do you like that person and explain using 5W plus 1H yang 5W1H. But you can tell the story about that person. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the
Mm,
first one, as I mentioned, can you tell about something that you like?
a person,
It can be person or a thing or activity or anything.
uh, something that I like eating delicious food.
Mm-hmm. Okay, tell me about that.
Because for me, when I go back to Bandung,
Mm-hmm.
there's a more a culinary type
Mm-hmm.
that
Mm-hmm.
very. I think when I saw the ads from Instagram or
Mm-hmm.
YouTube, and many influencer review the foods, and then I interested to try some foods in Bandung, because when I went to Medan, and I worked there, and I come back to Bandung. Uh, in Bandung, every month I think it's have a different popular restaurant. So when
Mm-hmm.
I yeah some food or restaurant is booming, I want to go to there, but um the restaurant is closing early, and then the other restaurant is open and launching, and then I want to try, but it's very crowded from a tourist from the apa ya, luar Bandung gitu.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm,
Outside of Bandung.
outside of Bandung, so ya nggak pernah kebagian.
Ah, okay. Yeah, there will always be a new cafe, a new restaurant, new things in Bandung. It's
Iya.
like very fast. Yeah, but why do you think like many new place in Bandung, but they can close in a very fast period? Like the rollover is very fast.
In my opinion, because the type of food in Bandung is relatively is more of the type,
Mm-hmm.
um, and then the people is really more creative. Then when um, some some food some food is booming just for a short time, and then they um, brainstorming and search a new idea, and then launch the new idea, so
Mm-hmm.
it's not sustained. And then many people also search for uh, new experience or the authentic food. So yeah, for now people always search the apa ya, yang lama-lama gitu, yang autentik.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then all right. Is there any food that you really want to try in Bandung but you haven't tried it until now?
I think burger,
Burger?
yeah, from
What?
Mountain
Mm-hmm.
B&B, B&B burger. Uh, I like cheese, but not my favorite food, but I want to try it. And then when I review, when I get information from an influencer, they inform the burger from B&B need more time to wait, like
Mm-hmm.
long for a waiting list.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I never tried it, but I want to try.
Okay. Are they still exist until now?
Yeah, still exists and always launch a new menu.
Always launch a new menu. Okay. Where is it located?
On Sukajadi.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you have a plan to visit there in your current holiday?
Uh, Not for now
Mm-hmm.
because I think I want uh m- me is the type for when I love or like some food and I comfort for this food. I always buy this food repeat.
Okay, you repeat order the food.
Yeah.
I see. Okay, let's move on. Now tell about something you dislike, you don't like.
I don't like eat vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Tell me about that.
Because I think the taste is very uh not delicious and the aftertaste is um membekas gitu.
Mm-hmm.
And the smell is not my type. Yeah, especially for a green
Mm-hmm.
vegetables. I don't like
Ah,
that.
okay then. All right. So you never consume vegetable at all?
No.
No. All right then. Key. When was the first time you realized, like, you found out that I don't like vegetable and I don't want to consume it at all?
When I uh in junior high school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I
Oh.
think because when I was young, I'm not diperkenalkan gitu, kayak
Mm-hmm.
diperkenalkan for a vegetable, and then yeah, when the time flies, then I don't like that because I
Oh.
don't know what the taste, and yeah, it's not familiar for me, so I don't like that.
Okay, then all right. Have you ever felt regret about that?
Felt regret.
Regret. It's kind of like, oh, I wish my parents would introduce me to vegetable earlier so that I can eat it now, for example, like that.
Yeah, and I also try to
Mm-hmm.
like the vegetable, but I cannot get the point that the vegetable is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I think I not like vegetable. It's not that's not my type. Only selective vegetables that I like, just like corn and then uh potato.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for a green color for vegetables, I prefer to avoid that.
Okay, all right. Only that vegetable that you still can accept it.
Yeah,
All right. Now move to the someone you like. Can you tell about someone you like?
someone that I like. Siapa ya?
It can be your friends, your coworkers, your leader, your boss, your manager, anyone. Your parents.
I think my best friend.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm. I like her because they always support me and they always be on my beside.
Mm-hmm.
And then she never judge me. But when I doing some wrong or false, they always inform me and uh, give me advice to be a better person.
All right. So that's why you liked her because she's always on your side.
Yeah, and then on the other hand, we never, not always meet before because she on Jambi and I'm in Bandung or Medan, and then we only talk by phone.
Oh, how do you know each other?
Because we in same university with the
Oh.
same major.
Mhm. Okay, that's the first time you met your best friend, and you still keep contact with her until now.
Yeah.
Okay, then all right. Have you ever kind of like fight each other with your best friend about something?
Sometimes we just argue our
Mm-hmm.
argument, but after that we realize that mm, each opinion is not wrong or not false.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes we must to um, kayak ngerti aja gitu, to understand
Mm-hmm.
each other. Yeah.
Alright. Sometimes different opinion. There is a different opinion, but it's still okay.
Iya.
And hey, what about someone you dislike? Can you tell me about someone you dislike?
Mhm.
Mm.
Dislike from eh my dislike from my best friend or the other
Uh,
things.
another people that you don't like.
Mm, the people that when we first met, and then um they always they they always attach to me.
Apa?
A- Attach
Mm.
kayak udah kayak deket banget gitu,
Oh.
something like that.
Mm.
Ya, I'm not nggak terlalu nyaman.
Mm-hmm. You're not very
Mhm.
comfortable with that kind of person.
Iya.
Right. Then where you find that kind of people?
Sometimes on a club, tennis club,
Mm-hmm.
because I prefer to try the club, tennis club from one tennis club to the other tennis club, and then I can feel the people on this tennis club is easygoing.
Mm-hmm.
But the others, yeah, sometimes not makes me feel happy. So
Mm-hmm.
when I know the ambience and the situation, I prefer to not uh, go to the next match or the next uh, yeah, the next match.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then all right. So when you want to join a club, do you need to, what is it, register or something, or you just need to come to their activities?
Yeah, we must register to the admin, and then it's for one session, only
Mm-hmm.
for one session.
Only for one session you join. All right, then. Okay, let's move to the other. Can you tell about something that you really care about?
Really care.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Currently, uh, yeah, I'm not start it, but I interested to doing some this activity. It's related to charity.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I interested to know the people, the new people, and then the new activity for um, charity.
In what place is that?
What?
Your charity, is it orphanage or something?
Sorry?
Uh, Orphanage itu kayak rumah yatim. Is it
Oh,
place for orphanage for
uh,
the charity?
not for not for the type that's type, but it's related for refurbish a new refurbish for uh apa namanya kan kantor eh apa rumah
Mhm.
atau ya rumah sih biasanya.
Oh, okay, then alright. Where did you join that in Bandung?
Mm, not not in Bandung. The charity is always went to uh, rumah-rumah atau rumah-rumah yang dirasa kurang.
Mhm.
Kayak kayak di Garut gitu.
Oh, okay. Mostly in the rural area.
Iya, iya.
Okay, that's right. Okay, let's move to the next. Can you tell about a time when you were very excited?
Excited.
Mhm.
When excited when I went to a holiday.
Mhm.
Mhm. I feel excited uh because yeah, every holiday is have a new uh chapter and new uh activity. So I'm very excited to get a new experience
Mhm.
to go to the others um to the others apa ya kota gitu.
City?
Ini iya
Ah, okay then. So, what city you want to visit in this holiday?
Solo
Mm-hmm. Solo?
untuk going to Solo
Mm-hmm.
because the culinary in
Okay.
Solo is um very apa ya banyak gitu.
Mm-hmm.
Many
Various.
kind. Yeah, various.
Ah, okay. So, you will meet your friends there?
No, I prefer to go alone.
Alone. Okay. Oh, you really enjoy your me time. Okay. So, let's move to the next. Can you tell about something boring?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Sorry, Miss Anna.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Hello?
previously is yeah. Hello. Something not clear. Can you repeat again?
Oh, okay. Can you tell about something boring?
Boring.
Uh-huh.
When I'm only asleep in my home,
Mm-hmm.
I feel boring.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. So you never done that in your holiday time? Like you just spend your day with staying in your bed?
Mm-hmm. I think it's very boring
Mm-hmm.
because only sleep and then ya only sleep and then apa tuh namanya uh, nonton drakor gitu.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, then. But have you ever had that kind of day?
Mm-hmm. For doing,
I think it's a bit lagging ya kayaknya Kak Intens.
iya. Okay, can you repeat again, Misana?
Okay, alright. But have you ever had that day, like when you only sleep all day long?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Even in your holiday, you never have that.
No.
No, okay.
I think it's wasting time for
Mhm,
only sleep
mhm,
and eat.
mhm.
Yeah, it's boring.
It's boring. Okay. How do you usually arrange your schedule during holiday?
Mm, when 1 week before I go to went to Bandung,
Mhm.
I have schedules just like want to doing something or want to go to uh di mm, di apa ya ke satu tempat gitu.
Mhm. Okay, so it's kind of like you already arrange your activity before holiday come.
Iya,
Oh, that's interesting. So you already have the schedule for each day, what I want to do in the first day, second day, and the next day.
iya.
Right. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay. So how long you will stay in, what is it, Solo?
Uh, I think for 1 week.
For 1 week.
Yeah, I want to for 1 week. My
Mm.
plane, yeah, for 1 week.
Okay. What is your activity that you want to do in Solo?
Culinary, and
Mm.
then go to uh apa namanya? Kayak Mangkunegara itu apa ya?
Palace?
Yeah, palace.
Mm.
And then yeah, only strolling around.
Oh, okay then. All right. Do you like to watch kind of like traditional show or traditional performance, like wayang or something?
For wayang, I don't like to watch.
Yeah, right. Okay, so for the next, Kak Intan, can you tell about something interesting that you found on internet?
uh, I something interesting in internet. For a short
Mm-hmm.
and video.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and then a new release album.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it's something interested.
Okay. Whose album is that?
Sorry.
Whose album?
I'll for just like uh Muse.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. And then just like for K-pop.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Let's move to the next. Can you tell about something must visited place in your city?
Most visited place
Mm-hmm.
in Bandung.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I think for people going to Lembang or
Mm-hmm.
Ciwidey to
Okay.
visit and to visit some uh new something like fresh.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. So yeah, many people go to Kawah Putih, Ciwidey for recreation.
Oh, okay. Have you ever been there?
Yeah.
When was the last time you go there?
I think 1 year ago.
1 year ago. Oh,
Yeah.
right. And as someone who live in Bandung, have you ever feel that you bored with your city?
uh, bored? No. I think Bandung is very uh yeah, many type of activity can doing in Bandung, so it's not bored for me.
Okay, then there will be always something new that we can do there.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Next, can you tell about something you are good at?
Something that
You are good at.
uh good. Something that
Mhm.
good.
It means kind of like something that you are very good at it.
Oh, the the weather.
Mm-hmm.
The weather in Bandung
Mm-hmm.
for currently the weather is not too cold, but yeah, not too hot.
Mm-hmm.
I think Bandung is very nice to
Mm-hmm.
live in there.
How long have you stayed in Bandung since you were a kid?
Yeah, I was
Oh,
born in Bandung.
mm,
Yeah.
okay. What's the difference, like Bandung in the past and then Bandung now that you feel?
Bandung in the past is not too much crowded, and
Mm-hmm.
then the people uh, always use a public transportation,
Mm-hmm.
and then not many people uh, use the transportation just like car or bike. But for now, many people use bike and a motorcycle, and then car, and then it makes full and then crowded.
Mm-hmm. Right. So now it's more crowded than in the past.
Yeah.
Okay. And then next question. Can you tell about your favorite book?
Favorite book? Uh, it's like uh, apa tuh namanya? Book for like apa ya? Jarang juga nah baca buku. For me, I think I very rare to uh ya jarang banget baca buku.
Okay. When was the last time you read a book?
Uh, I forget, but it's very long time I not read a book.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Okay, then. So it's just because you don't enjoy to do that.
Iya, iya.
Alright. Okay. Next question then. Can you tell about your school life when you were a university student?
I have many friends
Mm-hmm.
it's come from many major, not
Mm-hmm.
only in my class,
Mm-hmm.
but apa ya? Jadi kayak kupu-kupu gitu,
Okay.
kuliah pulang.
Ah,
Ya,
I see. Do you join like student extracurricular student club or something like that when you were student university?
no, no.
Okay, why is that?
I think because I prefer to do apa tuh tugas
Mm-hmm. Assignment
exercise, ya assignment from my dari apa namanya ini dari dosen.
lecturer.
Iya,
Oh, okay. I see. That's why. All right. If you can back to your university era, what is something that you want to change about you?
want to change.
Mm-hmm.
I think eh apa ya? Lebih banyak main gitu.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
Ah, okay. Spend your time with friends.
Iya,
All right. Why is that?
because I very busy to doing the exercise.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then you don't have enough time to spend with your friends at the moment.
Iya.
Right. What is your major, Kak Intan, previously?
eh Teknik pertambangan.
Oh, that's why. I see. Got it, got it. Yeah, many of my friends that in engineering field they say that the assignment is very a lot. It's
Mhm.
kind of like spend their even they used to stay up late until morning to finish their exercise, their assignment. Do you also
Mhm.
experience that when you were university?
Yeah, of course.
Of course. How often is it?
Every day.
Every day, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, then. All right. So, Intan, that would be our last question for today. It is
Mhm.
almost 11. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Before we end the session, is there anything that you want to say, you want to ask, or you want to request?
For me, it's not enough.
It's enough. Okay, then.
Yeah.
All right. Mm-hmm. It's enough. For tomorrow, we still have a meeting at the same time, berarti ya, at 10.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Intan. Thank you so much for coming today. Enjoy your whole day today. Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.